Hello guys, welcome back. Here I have the HP8 Lite and let me show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. First, hold down the power key for a few seconds, then choose power off and confirm again. Wait until the device is completely switched off, then prepare a micro USB cable connected to your PC. Hold the volume down key and while holding it, connect your phone using the micro USB cable. Wait a few seconds, then release volume down and the phone will enter Fastboot and Rescue mode. To exit Fastboot mode, press and hold volume up for a few seconds, and the device will restart into normal mode. Choose Reboot from the menu and the device will restart. You can disconnect the cable once the device is in normal mode. The device is now in normal mode and you can use your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.